Hey monkeys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing the Rubik's Cube, and let me just mix it up quickly. There, all mixed up. Now we're going to solve green again, because it was already solved, and I want to solve that. We're going to solve three colors, well, one is the same. We're going to solve green right now, and then red, and then green again. And then, yeah. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share, and comment if you are really good at these Rubik's Cube things. Also follow me on Instagram at marcelhockey_7. Yeah. There. Now we're going to do red. Let's go. There. Now we're going to do green again. And we can do one more color. Let's do red again. And then that'll be the video for today. So, if you hear talking in the background, I can't fix that because it's just my parents. Whoa, what did I just do? No, what did I just do? Wait, wait. Nope, wait. There we go. Okay, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Follow me on Instagram at marcelhockey_7. I'll leave a link in the description below. Bye, monkeys.